Welcome to the Elyria Library Tech Walkthrough. Today we're going to look at NoveList Plus. You can use NoveList to find new authors and books based on previous things that you've read and enjoyed. To get started, you just have to go to our website, elyrialibrary.org. From there, you're going to look for our Research tab and hit Databases. NoveList is brought to you by the CleveNet system, so it's going to say CleveNet at the top. From there, we're going to scroll down until we find NoveList. Now, the first one we find is NoveList K through 8. That is focused on children's and teen books. Today, we're going to look at NoveList Plus, which is all ages. Now, the next screen you'll see once you click NoveList Plus, if you're searching from home, is going to be a login screen, asking for a username and a password. Your username is your library card number. It's located on the back of your card, either above or below the barcode. Your password is the last 4 digits of the phone number you've given us. Once you've given that information, you should be sent to this page, which is NoveList Plus home screen. Up in the right-hand corner, it'll say that it's being brought to you by the Cleveland Public Library. That's fine. To do a general search, you would stick with keyword. I want to search for an author and find read-alikes for that author. So I'm going to say author and type in the author's name. And go ahead and hit search. Now, because I searched for an author, it pulled up every author with that name. The first one is the one I want. So this is the author's page on NoveList. Over on the right-hand side, you'll find read-alikes for that author. So any of these authors would be a read-alike. If you hit View All, it'll take you to a page with all of the read-alikes and the reason why they believe that it is a read-alike author. Go ahead and hit back. Will take me back to the author's web page on NoveList. This time it looks like it took me all the way back. So let's do that search again. Click on her name one more time. Now we're back to her page. So if we scroll down, you can see that they list the books. Currently, they're sorting by date of newest with details on the book. Now, if you wanted to have a read-alike for just one book, you could click on the book. If you're interested in a read-alike by series, you can come up here and hit series. And now we scroll down, and now we have her series of books. So underneath each series, you'll find a button that says Series Read-alikes. If you click that, like previous, it should pop up a list of series titles, the author, and the reason they believe that these series are similar. Again, if we hit back, it should take me back just one page. There we go. It worked this time. So from here, you can see that you can do title read-alikes, author read-alikes, and series read-alikes under just a specific book. So if you wanted to search for a specific book up here instead of an author, you can do that as well. NoveList is full of other information that you can find as you dig through it.